Hi, this is Mitchell, and I'm recording the very bad accident of Great Petersburg. If you can see, there is Greg's truck. It has gotten stuck over last night. It's been sitting here since last night, and now they are trying to get it out. I don't think any of you would have put this on YouTube, but maybe we will. It's pretty funny. Okay. Oh, I almost forgot. That tractor that you just saw, they're trying to get it out with that thing. And there they are, sitting there, doing their job, trying to get it out. This is Mitchell, and the one in the truck is Greg, and my dad's the one in the black. And this is my brother sitting here waiting to go home. We're going to get a little closer, if you don't mind, to the big accident